Kisumu Governor Jack Ranguma and CORD supporters were this morning tear gassed near the county offices as they marched towards IEBC offices in Milimani in a bid to kick out the commission's officials. Now, businesses in sections of Kisumu were closed for the better part of the morning as Governor Ranguma led hundreds of ODM youth in a bid to storm IEBC offices. Police in riot gear lobbed tear gas canisters and shot in the air to disperse the youth who were headed to the Electoral Commission's offices in Milimani Estate. Now, the youth engaged police in running battles, with Ranguma promising that he would be back. Police cordoned off key roundabouts and businesses as they fought the youth who were chanting ODM slogans and calling for the removal of the IEBC chair Isaka San and other commissioners.